It's a nice 75 F250. Let's see if we can get the hood open.
I saw her sitting there behind the shed.
Lots of rust, but that's all right. Whew. Well, she's had some stuff. Definitely living up in there. Not sure what it's got for a motor. 360, 390. I don't know. It's got a couple pieces of decent trim, and I think that whole front grille is all intact and in pretty darn good shape. Oh, I take it back. It's missing one piece of the F. Other than that, wow, that's a rare find, I feel like. So we'll do a little walk around as I trip. This side was locked, so we can't get that open. But a little rub mark here, probably from sitting in the field. Dual gas tanks. The bed floor isn't too rusted out, but I do like the color combination, the green on green or green on white. Pretty hard to tell at this point in her life. Door's still open. Automatic. See a little gauge down there. Maybe oil pressure. Maybe the switch went out. I wonder what this was. A little tissue holder maybe? Huh? Custom surprise. We got some fuses. That's a little top pocket find. Ashtray? Anybody need an ashtray? Registration maybe? I don't know. Both the door panels. Just shuts. Door still shuts like day one. Man. It'd almost be worth taking if that F wasn't broken. I'd shut the hood, but then I'd have to put my phone down. So we'll just leave it open. It's sunny out. It's sunny out. Look how beautiful it is out today. All right, speak up. I know somebody's had one of these. Chevette. Do a slow walk around so you can take her all in, her beauty. 4-door. Got some paperwork there. And what do we got under the hood? Looks pretty stock. Couldn't tell you what motor it is. Anybody know? I'll have to Google it. Holly? What are you doing on there? Well, it doesn't look like it was in bad shape before it got parked up. Back door? Nope. Front door. Yes. Automatic? Probably. Look at that. Oh, I thought it was a window sticker. I was like, holy moly. Filter, air, 32,000. Change again at 60. Well, somebody tried to keep notes. Does the window work? Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad on the old girl. Yep, not gonna get that open, but that's okay. That's okay. What's this side? Body by Fisher. Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. This side work? Yeah, I mean, not too bad for a 50-year-old car, I guess. Right? 79, almost 50. I was born in 82, so that's 3 years on me. I'll be 43, so what, 47 years old? I mean, I gotta say, I look a little better in this car. 87,000 miles? I don't know. So, let's say goodbye to the Chevette. See what else we can find.